In the late 18th century, England stood on the edge of a revolution, not in politics but in construction. A bridge, just a bridge, was about to change everything. But this wasn't any ordinary crossing. This was a bridge made of iron, a material that had never before been trusted to bear the weight of the world. The Iron Bridge, as it would come to be known, was set to span the River Severn, a vast expanse of water that had resisted every attempt to tame it. What could possibly hold this bridge together? For centuries, builders had relied on stone, but the Iron Bridge would defy tradition, and in doing so, it would become the first of its kind in history. It was built in 1779 by the visionary Thomas Telford, a man whose name would become synonymous with engineering brilliance. Yet, for all his innovation, the world was sceptical. Could iron really support the weight of carriages, cattle, and the heavy flow of humanity? As the massive cast-iron pieces were brought together, there was a palpable tension in the air. The workers, sweating beneath the summer sun, didn't just fear the bridge collapsing under its own weight. They feared it would collapse under the weight of their dreams. It seemed impossible. Iron was brittle, not flexible like wood or stone. Could this ambitious project hold? Could it last through the centuries? The day the bridge was completed, the townspeople gathered, standing in awe. It was as if the entire landscape had changed. The Iron Bridge stood, its massive arches rising in the air, defying both gravity and doubt. With each passing day, the bridge not only held but grew stronger, enduring everything nature threw its way. But the true marvel of the Iron Bridge wasn't just in its engineering. It marked the dawn of a new era. It was the first sign of a world where iron would replace stone in the construction of buildings, railways, and bridges. A world where engineering would not just be about survival, but about soaring to new heights. As we stand on the shoulders of these giants, looking at the bridges that now span our cities, let's remember the risk, the doubt, and the triumph of those who dared to build the impossible. The Iron Bridge wasn't just a bridge. It was a symbol of what human ingenuity can achieve. If this story inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue to explore history's greatest moments together.